When you are doing your demonstration with the buyer, you never want to assume that they know all the features. You want to demonstrate all the features with a lot of enthusiasm. And even if this is something they already know about, even if this is something that they've seen online, your enthusiasm in going over these features is going to pay big dividends when you are trying to close the deal. Look at all the features with the buyer. Touch the features. Go over everything. Make sure that they understand everything that is on the vehicle. Have you ever been in the close with somebody? You finally get them to agree. The deal's done, and then they say to you, hey, did that one have the heated and the cooled seats? They don't even know what's on the vehicle a lot of the times. So make sure you are looking at, touching, feeling everything with the buyer. Make sure they know exactly what they're getting for the money. Never assume that they know all the features, and when you do this, you're either going to educate the buyer on something, or you're going to get them re-excited about something they've already seen. Use the features. The more you show, the more you tell, the more you touch, the easier the close is going to be.